Petron Gasoline Station sa may Walter Mart or malapit sa Walter Mart. Papagas lang dahil it's a Monday. Anong date ba ngayon? It's July 1 nga pala. July 1 and tomorrow tataas na naman yung gasoline ng at least 1 peso. So currently because I usually fill my car with extra advance, ngayon it's 60 pesos and 10 centavos, so tomorrow it's probably gonna be like 61.10. So might as well gas up na before magtaas, at least makatipid ako ng konti. Not really, because you're still spending money, right? Baka sabihin ng iba dyan, hindi ka nakakatipid kasi nagagas ka pa rin niya. I totally agree. Once you have a car, you can never go back. No, kidding. You gas up, you spend that, you don't earn like di ba yung mga taxi or nag-grab, who else, yung mga move it. So when they gas up, di ba, kumikita sila. But for me, technically this is an investment na hindi kagad lalabas because I go to work daily. So I drive going to work, then I get my investment after 14 days, but I don't think that that's sufficient enough, especially yung time and effort driving. Anyways, that's not really the point of this video. So siguro rant lang to for Lalamove. And I've noticed this, matagal na to, probably since last year. I don't know when this started, but nakaka-frustrate lang kasi that and I don't think that all would have the same sentiments like me, especially those who drive and who works with Lalamove. Na why would you put tipping yung pag kumukuha ka ng rider, di ba, nag-order ka na ng pick-up sa Lalamove, why would you put tipping as one way for you to get a rider quickly? It's a weird setup. I haven't seen that for years with Lalamove and Grab and other services for years. Recently ko lang yan nakita. Wait lang, time ano ko na. Diba? Why would you put that setup as a way for you to get a driver quickly, which actually resulted into instead of a positive behavior, medyo naging negative siya. Parang recently mas mahirap kumuha ng rider ng Lalamove just because they know na may option to silang mag-pick up ng delivery that has a tip. So let me know your opinion about this. Even my friends notice this kasi I regularly use Lalamove to deliver parang mga nagbabuy and sell kasi ako, number one, and then other than that I also have a Shopee store or Facebook store pala. One way to deliver is through Lalamove. Diba? Weird situation lang siya that you would have to pay first. Minimum is 20 pesos. Though 20 pesos is practically small, right? But you're in return, instead of you driving positive behavior sa mga rider, nagiging iba pa siya. Riders would be selective of those na kukunin nila, instead na blindly kunin mo na lang to, anyways binabayaran ka naman ng Lalamove. And para sa akin kasi, this feels like a free way for Lalamove to have a pay increase to their riders. For me kasi, ang tip is a way for you to parang award a good behavior, an outstanding behavior versus yung usual na may encounter mo dapat or may expect mo sa service. Ang nangyayari ngayon is, instead of you promoting a good behavior sa mga riders, nagiging negative siya, nagiging selective yung mga tao. Anyways, that's just my rant ba siya? Hindi, I just wanna parang share my concerns and my thoughts about that. Feel free to leave your comments, 'di ba, about the situation. Ay, lalapitan na ako ng 1,000 extra advance, sir. May kayo, no? May wireless. Okay, thanks. Anyways, that's all for me. Just want to share my thoughts about the current Lalamove situation. I don't know if it's only Lalamove who does that. I hope others like Grab and other services wouldn't apply the same system. Feel free to share your comments, even those riders, right? I respect the the kind of work, the discipline that most of you have. Lahat naman tayo nagtatrabaho, of course, for money, to make a living, to feed our family. Okay, but for me, this is not really an attack to Lalamove riders. This is an attack, or this is an opinion about how Lalamove is parang rewarding behaviors. That's all. Have a great evening and God bless. Bye.